Thinking about learning to code but feeling intimidated? You're not alone. There are several myths that stop people from starting. Today we're debunking the most common myths about coding. 1. Myth: you need to be great at math. Many believe coding requires advanced math skills, but that's not true. While coding involves logic, most tasks focus on problem solving, not complex math. Many great developers have only basic math knowledge. 2. Myth: coding is only for geniuses. You don't need to be a genius to code. Coding is a skill anyone can learn with practice. It's more about persistence, curiosity, and problem solving than raw intelligence. With dedication, anyone can become a good coder. 3rd myth: it's too late to start coding. It's never too late to learn. Whether you're in your 30s, 40s, or beyond, coding is accessible to everyone. Many career changers have successfully started coding later in life. 4th myth: coding is only for developers. Coding is useful for many careers, not just software developers. It's valuable in fields like marketing, design, and data analysis, helping to automate tasks and improve efficiency.